Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US bank account with the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Acorns app with your US bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app, then click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then go into settings. Then from here, click on linked accounts. Next, click on link another account. And now it's going to either ask you to verify your account with your phone number, or you could actually go ahead and connect your bank account. So go ahead and click on US Bank. So on this page here, it's going to prompt you to actually log into your US Bank so that you can select which checkings or savings accounts you want to connect to the Acorns app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.